Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python by playing games. Begin your coding journey by tackling simple text-based adventures. These projects help you understand fundamental programming concepts like variables and loops in a fun, engaging way. As you progress, you can move on to more complex game development, building your skills step by step. It's a fantastic method to make learning both effective and enjoyable. To truly dive into game development, leverage powerful tools like the Pygame library. It provides essential functionalities for graphics and sound, bringing your creations to life. Don't forget to connect with online coding communities. They offer invaluable support, fresh ideas, and opportunities for collaboration. Many free tutorials and courses are also available, guiding you through the exciting world of game development. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine using it to play background music while you code, or even set timers for your coding sessions. You can find the link for this and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you've mastered the basics, elevate your game development by implementing object-oriented programming. This approach creates a more organized and scalable game structure. Challenge yourself further by integrating artificial intelligence, designing smart and engaging opponents. For an even richer experience, explore developing multiplayer features, allowing players to connect and compete with friends. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.